Hey friends, today we've got a great casserole. It is a casserole that I found, another one in an old vintage magazine that I was just dying to try. And the reason I'm dying to try it is that it kind of originated like in Texas. Like this is a Texas recipe, and I'm a Michigan girl, so I have to try it. And I think that you're going to enjoy it too, because it is super easy. It's got a little bit of some heat to it, so those of you that love a little bit of heat, you're going to love this casserole. And it's made with chicken, so it's going to come together very, very quickly. And this is just another great casserole that you can add to your list. Let's get into it. We begin the King Ranch chicken casserole in a frying pan. We're going to add some olive oil, a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to allow that to cook together and become very fragrant. Next, we're going to add some vegetables. I've got a diced onion. It smells so good. We're going to mix that in and let that cook. On top of that, we're going to put up a diced green bell pepper. Now we're going to make sure that we get these vegetables seasoned with some salt. And then we're going to season with some pepper. And we're going to give this a few minutes here on the stove to kind of all come together with the seasoning and the softening of the vegetables. Next, I'm going to add some cumin. And right behind that, we're going to add some chili pepper. And again, we're going to stir this up very, very well and let the heat on the stove bring that all together. And then we're going to add our chicken. I just cut up a rotisserie chicken from last night, and it's about 3 cups of cooked chicken. And then we're going to add in a can of Rotel tomatoes. I'm going to make sure that we're combining this on the stovetop here, stirring it all together, the chicken, the tomatoes, the veggies. Now I'm going to add 1 can of cheese. And this can be just like a regular nacho cheese. It can be shredded cheese. Next in, we're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup and a cream of chicken soup. So you can see our order is getting pretty tall here. And we're going to make sure that it's all combined very, very well. While I have it on about medium heat on the stovetop, we want to incorporate all the ingredients here, the soups, the tomatoes, everything mixed very, very well together along with that chicken. And so we still have the heat on about medium. We're going to bring it all together where it's kind of bubbling here on the stovetop. Next, I'm going to prepare a 9x13 pan with some grease. And I've got soft corn tortillas, and I've cut them in strips. And I'm going to start layering the very bottom of that 9x13 pan to make sure the whole bottom is covered by the strips of the corn tortillas. Next, I'm going to come in with my stovetop mixture, and I'm going to layer the second layer on top of the corn tortillas. I'm going to make sure that it's level and it looks pretty even. And then I'm just going to repeat this process. Here I go with some more of the corn tortillas. I'm going to make another layer. It's almost like I'm layering lasagna. And I'm going to make sure that everything's covered there on that third layer. And then I'm going to come right back in with that mixture, the chicken mixture, and place that on top of that layer. This is our 4th layer. So it is a pretty easy casserole to put together. We're finding that out pretty quickly here, that it is fairly easy. I'm going to level it all out. And now I have another layer of corn tortillas to place on top of that chicken mixture. You always want to end this recipe with the corn tortillas. So however many layers you do, depending on how much mixture you have, will dictate how many layers you have. Now I'm going to take the rest of the cheese and put the cheese on the top, and I'm going to just sprinkle it with some parsley to make it look pretty. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes until it becomes bubbly. Next up, I have a recipe card for you for the King Ranch chicken casserole. So you can take a quick screenshot here with your mobile device so that you then will have this recipe in your personal archives. Now, if you like the video and you like cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, you can hit that like button and or subscribe would be great too. And I would greatly appreciate that. Now let's get this casserole out of the oven. All right, friends, here is the King Ranch chicken casserole dish here. This is an old recipe, like I said at the beginning of the video. I found it from a magazine from way back in the 70s, a Texas recipe. And so let's dive in. Let's see how it cooked up here. So I did let it set out of the oven for a while. Oh yeah, this is going to look almost kind of like a layered lasagna. Look at that. All the beautiful chicken in there, the sauce, the spices, the corn tortillas that we layered in there. Look how nice that is. Yum, yum, yum. All right, let's test this one. Now, this one was very economical to make, a nice chicken dish. Went together pretty easy and in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes uncovered. I mean, it's just a piece of cake, right, as far as a casserole goes.
Budget friendly.
Definitely has a nice kind of a Mexican flair to it. A little bit of heat, just a tiny little bit of heat, meaning spice, I would say on the lower level, but is actually delicious. The corn tortillas have softened up and give it a nice flavor balanced against the chicken mixture. So I almost feel like I'm eating a very moist chicken taco, which is actually tastes pretty darn good. So I'd say a 10 out of 10 for this oldie but goodie, right? So this one's definitely one that I will repeat. Thanks for doing it for the first time with me today. We made a recipe that I have never made before, so that was kind of fun doing that together. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.